New York prosecutors are seeking records from Trump's inauguration committee. On Monday, the committee received a subpoena for documents from the Manhattan U.S. Attorney's Office, and media reports say it requests information related to the group's donors and spending. In a statement, a spokesperson for the committee said it was still reviewing the subpoena, but that it would cooperate with the inquiry. The Wall Street Journal in December had reported that federal prosecutors were investigating the committee and whether it misspent some of the record $107 million it had raised from donors. According to reporting from the New York Times, prosecutors are also looking into whether any foreigners donated to the committee, which is prohibited by federal law. A spokesperson for the U.S. Attorney's Office in Manhattan declined to comment to Reuters, and the White House did not immediately respond to a request for comment.